Fuck the cops to a block to a murder scene, just like Jason. I drown these niggas like a waitress. Got a whole Glock at that aim for your temple. Made the boy pull up and smile like a dimple. Cheese, 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 cheese. It's Friday and I'm chopping these niggas, it like it's the 13th. I'm hot in the devil, I'm finished restarting. A skirt on the lot, you can send us some shots. Just like a Mario, I'm doing the dash in my cart. That boy got ate like a meal on the plate. I'm done with the expert gospel. Turn this car into a mosh pit. This a goofy ass rapper, couldn't even stand the chin. I even had to teach him how to dance. Shots to your feet, make a hopscotch. Make the boy do the stanky leg head. Got me bopping like Diddy. You fuck with my music, get turned, get cheeky. Put her boyfriend right with the knee. Well, I chop you in half of my shit if you wanna act up. Half of no boy in the final beginning of the page. And crack his neck through the back of the stage. Niggas that say I'm vicious, more like immortal. Nigga try me and I slice him the daughter. Till like the vice, they ain't taking my mask off. He takes my mask off. Further college to a block to a mercy. Just like Jason and John D. Niggas like a wedge and got a whole Glock at that MP2. Make the boy pull up and smile like a dimple. It's Friday, I'm chopping these niggas, so like it's the 13th.